food review here. This is for Five Nights of Freddy 2 that just came out. It is from Popeyes. It is a chicken tender box. Comes with a marinara sauce. Open that. Just like Mom used to make. Okay. Here's the chicken tenders. And these are cheesy bites in there. So I'm going to try a cheesy bite. Almost tastes like a cheese curd without the waxy noise. Pretty good. And this is one of the tenders. It's a garlic parm tender. That tastes good too. Great flavor. I give it 8 out of 10. Give it a try.